Hello, my name is Steve Backshall, and I was lucky enough to work with Aaron on Iaith or Daith last year, and it was an extraordinary experience. He is a fantastic teacher. The method works incredibly well. To begin with, I found it quite challenging because it was very different to how I'd ever learnt language before, and I was a month in and still couldn't count to 10 or sort of say yes or no and all of the kind of real super basics, but it was putting things properly into my head in a way that enabled me to pretty soon start actually speaking. I would say my bit of advice to anyone who takes it on is no matter what you think you know about languages, do the method as it's supposed to be, and by the time you get sort of like 4 or 5 lessons in, that's when it really starts to work. And I would say obviously speak as much as you possibly can out loud. It's really important to try and get the sounds happening and working in your mouth, and yeah, enjoy your journey, because for me it was an absolute blast. Diolch yn dda iawn, and good luck.